Hey, what's up, guys? This is Caleb with Millennial Money. I'm here today to teach you guys how to do a dividend capture strategy on Robinhood. Robinhood's like a great app for dividend capture strategies because you pay no commissions. So I want to share that with a lot of the Robinhood millennial investing community that I'm seeing on YouTube. Just to show you that there's a different way other than just day trading penny stocks that you can make money quickly, but without engaging in as much risk. So dividend capture strategy is an investment strategy in which you buy a stock before its ex-dividend date, which is the date the company records what investors are holding the stocks, and then they say, all right, this investor had this many shares, it gets this much dividend. So most people would say that this strategy is really hard to be profitable on because when a stock pays out a dividend, there's less money on its balance sheet, and investors have been paid off, so the stock naturally falls. Usually, in a perfect world, the exact price of what dividend was the amount that the dividend was paid out. So, for example, this company, Gamco Global Gold and Natural Resource Income Trust, they pay a dividend of 5 cents per month. So, on the accept date, the stock records what investors are there. It should move down exactly 5 cents in share price. But as long as you pick strong stocks that are uptrending and will recover from paying dividends quickly, this can be an extremely profitable strategy, especially on Robinhood where you're not paying anything in commissions. I should mention too that the tax rate on short-term dividend payouts is slightly higher than short-term capital gains or long-term dividend payouts, so keep that in mind. The first thing I like to do when looking for a dividend capture strategy is I will Google dividend calendar, and then I'll go to NASDAQ.com, which is going to be able to show you guys um, a list of all the stocks that have upcoming dividend payouts, and those will be listed by their XF date. So I usually like to scroll down and go to tomorrow if it's where I'm going to be buying a stock that day to sell tomorrow. So yeah, remember you must buy the stock one day before the ex-dividend date, and then you must hold it until the market opens on the ex-dividend date in order to receive the dividend. You can also just search a stock ticker followed by dividend history, and then go to NASDAQ.com to find specific stocks dividend date. You can also see on there the payment date if you scroll over to the right, as well as the declaration date and the amount of the dividend. One helpful thing to do in knowing what price to sell at is if you take the average cost you paid per share and then subtract the dividend from that, you'll see the price that you have to sell above to make a profit. If you sell below that price, you're taking a loss. Um, Normally, if it's a low volume stock, it's going to be right around the same price. And then if you just wait a day or two, or sometimes you can do it in one day, the price will move up, and you can get out in a profitable place. So after the ex-dividend date, Robinhood will send you a notification, and then if you look under your history tab on your Robinhood app, it's going to show you, and then you select filter by dividend. It's going to show you have a pending dividend that will be paid out on this date, and then all you got to wait till that gets paid out, and you will have your profit. So yeah, that's dividend capture strategy. That's pretty much how I've been doing it for the last couple of months. It's a much lower risk short-term investment. So you can make money quickly on it. I usually shoot for between 0.5 and 1% gains, and then I just pick stocks that I believe in, that I don't mind holding overnight. I try not to pick anything volatile and scary, and I just slowly build dividends. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. Leave me a comment or a message if you have any questions about anything.